trust you're doing great. So today I'm just gonna show you some few tricks on how to recover a deleted or lost file. So there are various ways you could lose a file on your system, especially from OneDrive. So this situation relates to users of OneDrive who have lost the earlier versions of their work due to one error or one oversight or another. So um, in this scenario, we'll be using two documents, one saved on OneDrive and the other saved on the system folder to illustrate this and then show you the solution to the conundrum. So we have the file for the offline version of the document here. Let me open it. Um, 12.8 KB, as you can see, that's the offline version. And then we have, let me show you the online version of the document now. So we have the online version also, 12.8 KB, as you can see. So right now I want to make some changes to the document. So what I do, because I want to make the changes available online. So what I do is that I open the document and maybe make the changes I need to make. Create another page and uh, just make some updates. So this is just me illustrating you making an update in a document. So I saved your updates. So all this while I was thinking, I'm in your shoes right now. I was thinking, okay, this is the offline version of the file. I was thinking this is the offline version of the file. So I wanted to bring the offline version online so that I can update it. Unknowingly, I was working on the online version on OneDrive. So this is the offline version of the document. This offline version, as you can see, okay, before I make the copy and paste, as you can see, just a page, and it's just um 12.8 KB, as you can see right now. So if I had, for instance, um, copied it and pasted the document, you're thinking I'm making I'm pasting the actual one I updated. So unknowingly to me, I replaced the updated document with the unupdated one. So it gets saved on OneDrive and I can it's syncing currently. So let's just go to the syncs. Okay. So as you can see, I no longer have my previous document, the three-paged one I made updates on. So how can I reverse this? So it's not, your undo feature won't be available every time. So what I advise you to do is just right click on the document and click on version history and then um, copy and replace it on with the previous ones by pressing restore. So the restoring process might take a while when doing it on your system, but if you want the process to be faster, you may visit uh, the OneDrive and refresh, refresh. You have the my live document here, so you just check the version history and see. Okay, you can see it has been replaced already with the 13.3 document. So if you have to check this now, you see let's see, if this has updated 12.8 sync pending. So you'll be able to recover documents 3 pages. 3 pages. So that's how to recover a lost document on OneDrive. So if you find this useful, let me know on um, the chat box. Thank you. Let's see this. So the file is available on the OneDrive. See, as you can see, 13.3 KB, while on the system it is still 12.8 KB. So it would auto update itself with time. So that's why it is lagging. But on the OneDrive website, it's 13.3 KB. You have your file, and then you can do the recovery directly on OneDrive, like I said earlier. So you just open version history. Yeah, you check version history and you get the one you are looking for. This is the one we are looking for. This is the previous one that we copied and pasted. So if you like this, let me know on the comment box if you find this useful. Yes, happy weekend.